What I want. You sweet girl. She got both of her little back feet together.
Same way, because if I put it in too far, it's not going to let enough fuel in. If I back it out too much, it's going to let too much fuel in.
Right.
You understand? Huh?
Yeah.
And then that you hear that little air coming through there? That's air coming from the compressor, and that cools the tip off.
Right now.
It cools the tip off to make it last longer. We'll cut this one more time. Hesitate just a slight bit at the end. Well, you get the feel of it, huh?
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
And it works better when Ben does it. Well, I get the we're using 035 wire. You see that here? There's 23 035. See, and we're going to be cutting. This is about 1/8 of an inch here. So you put this at 17.4. That's the volts, and this is the wire speed. This is how fast the wire comes out. See, it runs like this. See that?
Oh,
Too bad to set up.
Oh, it's set as soon as it's cool. It's not very hot. There you go. Okay, well, somebody will weld this backside here. See, usually what you do is you'll put it right here, or whoever's watching here. You put your welding. You want to keep it. You don't want to be way out here, and you don't want to touch it. You want to be right about a 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch away. And what you're going to do is basically take the tip here, and you're going to slightly go back and forth right in here in this crack. You see that? You're going to move back and forth, and you're going to push very slowly, tie it together, and keep as steady as you can. Right, like this, all the way through. Okay?
Yep.
And you got the auto darkening, right?
Yep.
That's what you want. All right. Ready? Go. Not bad. Had a little popcorn in here. So start back here again. See if you can go nice and steady. Pull trigger. Alright, you're moving too fast. Alright. Aiming right from this angle. Can you see the tip of that? You're going to see it pretty much where you can see it, okay? And then you might have to move it slightly. You're going to try to work that crack. Work it into the crack there. Don't see it till it burns in there. Alright. Oh, hit the arc again. Okay. Alright, now stick that right in there and let's start again and move about another 1.5 inches.
Okay.
Ooh, it's cooking. See when you got, see on the other side there, when it's discoloring, that means you got penetration. If you just weld right on top of there, you could weld real fast.
I can see it now, though.
Yeah, can you see it now?
Mm-hmm.
See, you had a little bit better there, it was penetrating. Now you're just popping along on top.
Mm-hmm.
Ready? Yep. Okay. Now you're doing better there. Okay, see, you're penetrating there real good. That's a little bit toasty there. You're burning through the back, man. Now the key is see, the key in welding is you can't go too fast or it won't weld, but if you hold too long, it'll burn through. So it's a real fine line of making it look like you're making popcorn. That's what we call that, popcorn there. Or that's looking really good though, right in there. You getting the hang of it a little bit, huh?
Yeah, it's cool.
No.
I can see the point now, so it helps. I know how far away
Yeah,
I
you
am.
can't, if you see it from the top and you see it from here, it's like you can't see. You have to come in from the side and see your tip, and then you can kind of work with it there.
Mm-hmm.
Try to pull that, put that joint in there, go about another inch on that, okay? And then we'll let Ben try, see what he can do. He can show you all how we do it. Okay. Yeah, that's looking better now, Ben.
Is that why it's going to
It's
pop up?
spattering. You got to get a little bit closer. Once you get it lighted, burn it in closer.
Alright.
Once you see, when you can hear it go pop, 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 and then when you push it in closer, it should be a little more, should sound like your
Yeah.
frying pan, you know, something on frying. You know, you don't want to pop, 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 pop. You want it to be a nice sizzle. You know what I mean?